Hi, I'm Christina from hairromance.com. I love that feeling of salon fresh hair, and I'm going to show you how I get that feeling to last for days and days afterwards. Some people love going for a facial or a massage for a bit of me time, but for me, nothing beats a salon blow dry. You walk out feeling amazing, and I have a few tricks to make that feeling last as long as possible afterwards. Now, the first one, which I've already broken, is don't touch your hair. I love that feeling of salon fresh hair. It's really tempting when your hair is just done and it feels so fresh and it feels so soft and you want to keep touching it, but please don't. Keep your hands out of your hair. It'll stop dirt transferring over and it'll keep your hair looking fresh for longer. And my second tip is to sleep with your hair clipped up. This is the kind of clip I'm talking about. Just a claw clip, but this one has a silicone inner so it doesn't slip. Friction equals frizz, so you want to keep your hair up and stop it getting tangled at night. And this clip will totally do that for you. I'll link a video around here that I've got that shows you exactly how I do that. The great thing as well, the clip also helps keep that volume in your hair so that it stays looking fresh and voluminous for longer. Now my third tip is all about where you place your head at night. And I like to use a silk pillowcase. My mum always told me this trick from years ago, but a silk pillowcase is so much smoother than cotton and it stops that minute friction that happens all night long and helps keep your hair smoother and shinier. If you don't have a silk pillowcase, you can tie a scarf around your pillow as well as a little treat. My tip number 4 is to use a shower cap. Yeah, I know, sexy, right? Wearing a shower cap, but there are some new ones around. Try these Louvel ones, which I'll pop a link for below, that are turban styles. But you want to protect that blow dry all the time you're in the shower. And tip number 5 is to take shorter showers and turn the temperature down a little bit as well while you're in there. You don't want to create such a steamy environment because it's only going to create more humidity and frizz for your hair. And number 6, dry shampoo is your secret weapon. When your natural oils start to come through and threaten that you should wash your hair, a little bit of dry shampoo helps extend your style and keep it looking fresh for days. If you don't love dry shampoo, I'm going to link to a video that has a few tips on how you can use it properly and avoid making some common mistakes. Tip number 7 is to brush gently. Tangles will happen and you can smooth your hair out by using a natural bristle brush or something gentle like a tangle teaser. But take care, you want to try and preserve your style as long as possible, so be really gentle with your hair. Now my tip number 8 is it's okay to restyle. I use a round brush to reshape the layers around my face and add just a little bit more definition into my hair. It's never that perfect when I wake up in the morning, so by using a brush and a blow dryer, I can just reshape any kinks. And tip number 9 is add in some curl, a bit like what I've done with my hair now. You can take a curling wand or a flat iron to add in some more shape and body to your hair. It's a good idea to do this on around about day 3 or 4. I'm talking real longevity with this blow dry. And tip number 10 is to braid it. As I can tell when my blow dry is getting to the end of its life, a braid is a great way to keep it going a little bit longer. A braid helps my hair still look good, but means I don't need to wash it for another day. Now, confession time. I've made a blow dry last a very long time in my hair, over a week. Now, confess in the comments how long you've kept your hair going after a blow dry. I really want to know, I love this, lots of details. Hit subscribe so you don't miss my next hair video, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. You can also come over to hairromance.com for more tutorials and tips, and I'll see you at my next video. Have fun with your hair. Bye.